Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you viewers beautiful denim baskets ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So let's start today the video. So friends, my first idea is friends, patchwork denim basket. Use different shades of denim. Join them in patchwork style, very creative and colorful. And your viewers, paint denim baskets, paint flowers, simple designs, use fabric color, make your basket unique. And friends, so my next video is mini denim gifts basket. Make a small basket, choose it for gifts or chocolates. Cute and handmade feel. And friends, so viewers, my next idea is button decor denim basket. Add colorful button on the front, make simple designs look fun and creative. And your viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, take care into the office. See you in the next videos, friends.